Alright, y'all, we out here, man, in Houston, of course, with the baby. Trailer wheel and frames, probably loud as hell, but I'm dropping off the truck. We're gonna get a bed put on. There she go. About to get to work with her. Hey, y'all see that mud flap missing right there? Driving that thing down, that thing flew off. Yes, sir. Hey, what's good, y'all? We got Big Six back there. Hey, Henry! Hey, we picking up the truck, man. I showed y'all a little bit real quick. We got the tractor bed put on. So I'm gonna show you guys what we did. And then we got a few more things to do, of course. So let me show y'all what it looks like. Yo, what is good? Today gonna be a great day. Got my truck and trailer here. We picking up truck number 2. We just got some work done to it. Got some decals put on there. Y'all seen a little bit where I did the tractor bed. Could have drove it, could have came and picked it up, but I'm gonna tow it because for various reasons. But anyways, let's go see what this thing looks like. Hello.
How's it going?
Is Armando here today or no? Yeah, truck number 2. Undergo graphics and designs, y'all. So what do you think?
Looks dope. They did a really good job.
How you think it came out?
Looks great. Looks legit.
All right, y'all. So I'm about to put the truck on trailer truck number 1 and take this baby home. This thing is beautiful, man. right, y'all, so we just got loaded up with truck number 2 on the trailer. We about to take this thing home. Really enjoyed the service that we got from Undergo Graphic Designs. Very detailed, very attentive, you know, responding quickly. Just overall excellent service, man, and that's kind of really what we're about. We got our first decal from Fast Signs. They did well, but we like this local spot out here, man. No shade to Fast Signs, but like I said, man, they took care of our baby. I'll probably link their info in the description. They're out of Houston, Undergo Graphic Designs. Shout out to my man Marlon GC Holland who put me on. They really did their thing, man, and we appreciate the service. I'm about to get this truck secured and we about to be up out of here.
Years later.
Good morning. Well, it's not morning, it's really afternoon, but we're here picking up the trailer and getting some things done. Hope is chilling with us. Hope, what's up? Say what's up. Yeah, see? I don't know. I'm either between Macmobile or Panda. What's up, guys? We are currently at Trailer Parts. We're trying to get a shocker hitch to the new setup. We're here with the 40-foot PJ and the 5500. We're also thinking about adding the platform so we can put the fuel tank. But this is how it looks, guys. Pretty nice. Y'all see that logo? That shit litty. That shit litty. So yeah, we're here.
Let me move it.
What are we about to do right now, babe?
I'm just getting a quote on putting the platform on the bed for the auxiliary tank.
Nice.
That's pretty good. I guess we don't want to build it too much lower. So I'm gonna be doing the inner one. So I put it right here for the spare. Yeah. Okay.
How do you mount it though?
Over here, and then tie it to the screw. Okay. And this is sturdy enough to hold it. Yeah, it ain't going nowhere. It's sitting flat. I just pull the 4 screws inside. Okay. Yeah, it ain't going nowhere. Yeah, it's only gonna be on top, so it ain't going nowhere. All right, cool. Okay. All right, I'm gonna bring it back tomorrow. Drop it off. Yes, sir. All right, man. Appreciate it.
Tomorrow for sure.
Getting that deck built. Decided to come back and pretty much get my fuel tank put on. So they're building the platform for it. 100 gallons. Prepping things up. Pretty dope. All right, so I went back and I got a mount for my spare. Got a 100-gallon fuel tank with a deep toolbox. This is pretty much my platform. We're gonna mount 2 toolboxes, one on each side. Got a shocker hitch, 30K, and that's pretty much what we did, man, so far. Hey, real quick, guys, don't want to leave y'all without this info, man. If you guys need factoring, go ahead and check out the link in our description. Mention Macc with Phoenix Capital Group and get 2%. Can't really beat that. Check out the links in the description. We got supplies, things you need for your setup. Check out my Amazon store. Yeah, man, get set up, get ready for the road, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Peace.